In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Asana to Excel. If you need a simple way to move your project data out of Asana and into a spreadsheet, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a clear and beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your Asana project into a usable Excel file for reporting, tracking, or sharing. To begin, open Asana on your computer and make sure you are signed into your account. Once you're inside the platform, head straight to the project you want to export. It is important to choose the correct project here, since the export will include all the tasks and data inside it. After opening the project, look near the project name for a small drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal additional options related to managing and sharing your project. Inside this menu, scroll until you find the export-related settings. This is where Asana provides tools for moving your data into other formats. Select the option that refers to exporting or syncing your project data. When you open it, you will see a submenu with different export choices. Among these options, look for the one that allows you to export your project tasks as a CSV file. CSV is a common spreadsheet format that works perfectly with Excel. Once you select the CSV export option, you may see a few additional settings. These typically relate to how much data you want to include, such as custom fields or multi-home tasks. For a straightforward export, choose the recommended option so that all necessary project data is included. After confirming your selection, the export process will begin automatically. When the process is complete, the file will be saved to your computer. Open your Downloads folder or the location where your browser stores downloaded files. You will find a new CSV file with your project data ready to use. Simply double-click the file and it will open directly in Microsoft Excel. From there, your Asana project information will appear in a structured spreadsheet format. At this point, your data is fully transferred and you can begin working with it in Excel. You can sort, filter, and analyze your tasks however you need, depending on your workflow. This makes it much easier to create reports or share information outside of Asana. And that's it. You have successfully exported your Asana project into Excel using a CSV file. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.